Hey, it's Shay back again, and right now I just want to quickly show you in this video some of the results that I've been getting in one of my latest Make Money Online campaigns. I've been running this one for a little while, but I just wanted to show you what it's been able to do on an average week. So I'm just going to jump straight into the network right here that I've been using to make this money online, to run this campaign I'm talking about. And I actually run many other networks as well. This is not the only one, but for this video I just wanted to focus on this one just to show you. At the moment it's just defaulted to today and yesterday. Today is the 19th of October and the system just defaults to yesterday. So I'm just going to put it back roughly about a week. I'll just put it, we'll go the 13th. I'll just run that. So now we have 7 days here we're viewing. So the past week we are looking at here, and I'll just scroll down to the first day. You can see the total there for the week so far. And as I said, today is the 19th. We're not completely finished today, so I'm expecting a little bit more. Yeah, we're about 3/4 of the way through the day today, and I'm having definitely a pretty decent day for today as well so far already. So $514 so far today, and the way things are going, it definitely looks like we will hit just over 3,000 for the past 7 days, so this week. So as you can see, from the 13th to the 19th, we got viewing 7 days, as I said. Almost 3,000 already. Definitely will get over that because we're not completely done for today. So as you can see, just check out some of the numbers here. I just want to show you this. 350 on the 13th, 420, 91 on the 15th. Some of these lower days basically will be days that we don't actually run the campaign, and it's actually flow over traffic from the previous day. So technically these 2 days could basically be added together because we actually don't run any traffic on this day. It just flows over from what we like to call the snowball effect. Once it gets going, you know, it's rolling and it just keeps going. So even when you don't even do anything on some days, it still generates some nice income even though you don't actually technically do anything that day. So where are we at? We're at the 16th, 586 that day, $708 in one day, right there on the 17th. Another 217 that day. Clicks a little lower. This RPC here, this is what I'm getting paid per click, and this is pretty rare. Not many people do this. They don't know about getting paid for clicks still, even to this day. And this is something that I really want to show you. And as you can see, just on the 19th, as I said, $514.52 so far today. But as I said, no one really knows about getting paid for clicks specifically, okay? And this is something I really want to show you and help you run as well. But I'm not going to be showing this to everyone forever. I'm about working with serious people only. If you've never made any money online and you are stuck in a rut, I want to help you break through. And I know I can. I've already done it with many of my students, so I can help you do the same. My team and myself are around to help our serious students. But again, it's only if you are serious. So if you are serious and you want to be producing this kind of money and these kinds of results on a consistent basis online, you want to be making money online just like this, all you have to do is take action. Click the link in the description right now. Okay, take action. It's the first step. Super simple. Just click the link in the description right now. Find the description around this video. Click the link. It'll be right at the top. And then that will take you immediately over to my site. And I will actually just go to my site myself as well, just so I can show you exactly what you will see. So I'm on my site right here. This is what you will see. So click the link then all you have to do as soon as you land on my site here is enter your best email address right here in the field. Just enter your best email, then click the big button. Click the Get Instant Access button right here, right now, and I'm going to give you instant access to everything I'm doing. It's insider information. This is stuff that I only keep for my students. So go ahead, do it now. Click the link, enter your email, click the button to get instant access. I'm not going to have this open for much longer, so do it now while I still have it open now. But only if you're serious. If you are looking to replace your income, then take action right now. Thanks for watching this quick video. I look forward to working with you really soon.